Welcome to mywoodbusinesscard.com. We produce the world's most innovative wood business cards to help you stand out and leave a positive impact. We've made it really easy to place an order of your own, even if you don't have a design, and it's only 3 simple steps. Step 1. Place your order. Visit mywoodbusinesscard.com and locate the product you'd like to order. Choose your quantity, upload your logo, and type any notes for your design direction. And then customize your card with our advanced settings. Next, click Add to Cart and check out through our 100% secure website. Once received, our team will review your notes and start Step 2. Digital Proofs. In less than 24 hours, you will receive a digital proof to review. Our team knows how to make you look good, so have fun with this process and feel free to make any notes or changes. Once you love your design, simply confirm your order for production. Step 3. Production and shipping. All of our products are made to order and with the highest standards possible. Production times are approximately 5 business days after artwork approval. If you need your business cards fast, you can easily upgrade your order to 24-hour production. All domestic orders ship via FedEx Ground at one low rate, regardless of order size. If you would like to add on expedited shipping, you can upgrade during the checkout process or by logging into your account on the website. And that's it. The process is easy and only 3 steps. Check up on the status of your order at any time by visiting the My Account section of our website. There, you can easily see the expected ship date, the tracking number once it's available, and also a convenient reorder button for future use. Founded in 2011 as a division of My Metal Business Card, mywoodbusinesscard.com is operated by our dedicated team in Southern California, all with one simple goal: give you the means to instantly stand out and leave a memorable impression. We're experts at making you look good, and all of our products are backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Thanks for watching, and we hope you will join the My Wood Business Card family.